Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I will be showing you how to get VirtualBox and a Windows 7 VirtualBox disk image because that's what my computer can run the best right now while I'm recording. So first thing you want to do is go to the website VirtualBox. I have it right here. What you want to do is press this button right here if you're a Windows. If you have any other OS or stuff, pick the other ones, whichever you want. But I have a window, so you press that button and it starts to download. Uh, Once it downloads, what you want to do is go through the steps and everything. I'll show you. Uh, and yeah, while that's downloading, you can go to the next step, which is downloading the Windows 7 Ultimate ISO file or the disk image. Once you're on this website, I'll leave it in the description too. You want to go down here to where you find your links to download. If you have a 62-bit computer, which I do, you want to go for the 64-bit. If you have a 32-bit computer, or a 32-bit, you want to go for the 32-bit or the x86 one. Uh, so I have a 64-bit, so I'm going to go for the 64-bit one. And you just wait for this to download. And since I already have it, I'm not going to download it again. See, it's starting again down here. But since I have it, I'm not going to download it. So I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that. And next thing I'm going to do is I can cancel out there now. I'm going to go down here to my File Explorer, Downloads, and open up the VirtualBox download thing. Uh, Once you open that up, you just have to wait. Let that install. And here, I'm at the wizard. You're going to press next. You want to hear, well, I already have mine, so you won't get this, but you'll know what to do. Just leave everything as default and keep pressing next. Let me just delete these two files right here. Anyway, once you do that, uh next thing you want to do is go ahead and open VirtualBox and make like go here, go to new, and go to folder. And then go ahead and bring your ISO file from your thing to this folder. I already have one here, this one right here. All you gotta do is just bring it to your folder and you should have it there, easy to pick up. So once you do that, you gotta open VirtualBox. You go to new, and then here you got name. You wanna name it Windows 7. I already have Windows 7, so I don't have to call it Windows 7, I guess 2. So, pick what bit you have. So if you have 32-bit or 64. I have a 32-bit, but you can have a 64-bit. You just pick it here. So I'm gonna go for 32 and then press next. Here, you should do around I think 2 times less than your RAM. For example, I have 8 GB of RAM, so I'm gonna give this probably around a 2. But since I'm recording, I want to put it down to a 1. I'm gonna press next, and then what you don't just leave this at default. Create a virtual or hard disk now, and up here leave it at VDI VirtualBox disk image. Leave it at that. Press next. Leave this at dynamically allocated. Uh, you can read here what it does. Doesn't really matter. You press next. You give it the storage you want. I'm gonna give it like probably 30 to 32 gigabytes, and then you should have it here. Next thing you want to do is go to settings and system, and you want to go, no, actually storage, go here to this empty slot, go over here to where you see this little disk icon and press choose a disk file. Navigate to your thing, you should be here from your folder. I gotta go to documents and go to mine, Windows 7 Ultimate. I have mine there. And if you want to play around with this, you should enable 3D uh, acceleration and put it up to the highest you can. That will make everything you want to do in there faster too. If you want network in there, which I don't really want to do any networking there right now, you can do that. You can leave everything as usual. If you want to give it more processor, you can, but uh, I'm already using uh, a lot of power right now, so I'm not going to use that. Uh, yeah, everything's okay. You're good to press OK and go ahead and start it up. Uh, Yeah, just let it start up. And here you gotta pick your thing. Here it is, Windows 7 Ultimate, and then press start. And then let it start up. And then here, it's loading your files. Let it load your files, starting Windows and everything like that. Just let it load. Won't take long. And then it brings you to this bar right here. What you want to do here, go ahead and pick your language, stuff like that. Press next, and then you want to press the install now. So you let it start, and gladly you don't need a product key for this one. So what you want to do here is accept the license term, and then press the custom. Pick the space you have, and press next, and then just let it download. And uh, yeah, just let it download. I'll be right back to let it download. I'll be right back.